Guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today I'm here at Dragon Mart and we're gonna buy some stuff and I'm gonna show you. So let's get into it. So guys, we are in Dragon Mart and it's pretty crowded over here since it's weekend and people are coming here to buy stuff for school since school is tomorrow. So I'm gonna explore around and let's see what we find. So over here they will print like glow-in-the-dark stuff on your shirts, like remote control cars and stuff. So here are keychains which you put in your hand, and you can also put them in your chains and stuff. So this is where they sell toys and they have lots of them. So guys, look at this. There's even Lego Jurassic World and Minecraft My World. Umehani finally bought a cat and she's very excited about it. So here is a costume shop which has so much costumes. As you can see, there's Flash, Ladybug, Hulk, Spider-Man and Squid Game. So this costume shop is called Fashion Party, sorry, and it has so much costumes. So now we just came out of the shop, Fashion Party style. See, there's also this over here and we just came out of it, so we are moving on. So guys, we are now going down. Here you can buy electronic stuff, Android TV box and more headphones. I have mini tabs and lots of decorations. Some facts of this.
ये गेम है, ठीक है, तो इसमें 4000 गेम है और टीवी में लगा के, ठीक है, 2 रिमोट है, टीवी में लगा के 2 आदमी खेल सकते हैं। ये देखिए, इसमें टेकन 3 भी है।
So this is like a miniature version of a game and it's very easy to play when you learn it. Okay, interesting game. They have miniature bags. Oh, they have so much characters over here. Look, so much. Even I love some. They also have bobbles head. 680. Smallest phone in history. This is like the size of my palm. Look how small this is. Guys, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye bye.